What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the 18-inch Eagle chainsaw, and long story short, I returned the Ryobi chainsaw. I called customer service, and they say I may have a defective battery. So for $300 and something, if it's defective, it has to go back. So instead of getting the Ryobi, I decided to try something different to just to compare two different brands. So mainly the Eagle is in Lowe's and Ryobi is in Home Depot. So again, the Ryobi was 40 volts. This one is 56 volts. Let's pray that this could cut the rest of my logs. Okay, so let's open this thing. So one thing that I already noticed is that I like the Ryobi case. How it had like a little suitcase. This one don't have a suitcase, so we have the battery. We have the instructions that came out first, the battery charger, and the chainsaw, and that is it. All right, so this is basically the same thing, just 56 volts. The other one was 40 volts. Now, like I said, the Ryobi one had grease here. I don't know if they meant to put grease there. Maybe that's why it was messing up on me. But we're gonna see with this. This is huge. All right. So what we're gonna do right now, we are going to charge this bad boy up. It may be charged already, but we're gonna put a little. Well, as a matter of fact, just for the video, I'll leave it out so y'all can see it work. All right. Okay, so this has a power button on the battery, which is interesting. All right. We have the cover. We have the cover just like on the Ryobi. All right. So again, this is no case. All right. So we have this is where we're gonna put our oil, chainsaw oil, in right here. All right. So no case. So this is how you carry it around everywhere you go. All right. So it looked like you have a lock mode. So number 1, unlock, and then you have a number 2, which we're gonna figure out in a little bit. All right. Take that off. All right, so I don't have the chainsaw oil on me right now, but I will put it on. This is huge. Wow. All right, that puts some weight onto this chainsaw. Press the button. This is the brake. All right. Press the safety key, safety button right here on this side. Safety button, and that's the trigger. All right, if you put the brake forward, safety button, it won't go. Okay, I learned that with the other brand. So pull your brake back, safety button, trigger. All right, on here you have a light. The other one didn't have a light, so maybe Ryobi need to take note of that. This one has a light on it. What else? Okay, over here it shows you the battery, the level of the battery. Hold on a second. All right, you see it has 2 greens. So I'm pretty sure if it has 5 greens, that means fully charged. And that's about it. Let me put some grease in this, and then y'all can see some demonstrations. Oh, well, I guess it would be better to hold it like this. Hold it like this and tilt it with your arm. Grab it with the handle like that. Now this is more comfortable. Do it right here since I got a little hump on the lid. All right, so as y'all can see, I made 1, 2 cuts. All right, I'm about to make the third cut. Now the Ryobi did not last this long. Like I said, it may have been a battery defect, but this is a good machine. Once again, if you're a contractor, you want to deal with gas, unless you have a million of these batteries lying around. Because I think this would be good, like I said, for a smaller tree, maybe like something that's at least 15 inches in width. These are bigger than 18 inches. So right now I might be putting a little too much work on it. I'm not sure, but the people that cut trees down could let me know in the comments. I'm just doing a review just to get these out the way, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so with those 3 cuts, I'm letting y'all know now. I hit the power button and it looks like we have 3 bars left. So I had 5 bars but when I did those 2 cuts, I'm at 2 bar, it subtracted 2 bars. So just to let y'all know. Okay, y'all, let's see if it knocks out this second log. Let's look at the battery. All right, right now we had 2 bars for what I did, so I'm pretty sure I could knock out maybe another 2 cuts. So I'm gonna let y'all know. Last one, so I made 4 cuts and we had 1 battery left. With that being said, like I said, this machine is powerful, okay? You will be able to cut like a lot of these little skinny trees right there. You probably get a good amount of cuts with that. The thickness of these logs is pretty much beyond the 18 inches. They're at least 24 inches, okay? These are some big logs. So I think might have been too much overload for this. And well, it may not be too much overload, but it's a lot more cutting you have to do, okay? Now with the Ryobi didn't even last that long and the battery died and went into repair mode. So, okay. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm at 1 battery, so it's nothing else for me to do till tomorrow. So I'm gonna keep that log and I'm gonna keep that one right there and I'm gonna knock those 2 out tomorrow. And that's it. I'll just use it, throw it in the fire pit, cut them up, whatever. So have a nice day and like, comment, and subscribe.